Hi, hello internet. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you one OBS Studio trick that when you are recording your screen, sometimes you don't want to show your taskbar. So how you can hide your taskbar? So for that, it's really simple. You just have to click on the display capture where you are capturing it. Then you go to the transform, and in the transform you click on edit transform, and then you'll be able to see that you have an option where you can define the right, top, bottom size. You can put the margin to it basically. So if you increase this bottom, you can see on my right that there is one green line, and which basically telling that this will be a part that will be ignored in the screen capture. So I can reduce it until what I want, and I think this is good. And then I have to click on my bounding box type to stretch to bound, so that the video that I have, it will be stretched to the resolution that I have set. So if I click on the stretch to bound, you can see it has stretch, and I'm okay. Now you can see that yeah, it's not recording my taskbar. My taskbar is not in the frame now. Yeah, that's it.